Thank you all for joining us today. This is a very momentous opportunity for all of us to be enjoying the birds, enjoying the tacos. This will be our 8th office, but currently our 4th office with Coldwell Banker in the Marina or the Puerto Vallarta area. And we, there he goes. So please welcome everybody to our new office, and let's make this our most successful office ever. Here's to Punta Mita, and here's to our Punta Mita office. Sayulita office, sorry. Thank you. Sayulita office. Woo! Come on in. Everybody come on in.